Hi guys, so this video is particularly for ladies, for my female friends, because here I'm going to talk about the most ignored problem or most underdiagnosed problem that many of you are facing. So this is called PCOS, it's Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, or some people call it PCOD as well. But whatever the name is, it is going to impact you big time. It is going to impact your personal life, your married life, So how to deal with it? So many of us ladies, we talk to the doctors, we go to the doctors, and what happens? They give us medicine, alright? Make sure the medicine that you're taking, make sure you're well aware of it. What is there in this medicine that the doctor is giving you? It could be a hormone. Most of the times, because they give you contraceptive pills to get your periods, and it could be to deal with your diabetes. Okay, so before you get into this medicine thing, I would like to tell you this PCOD can be fixed naturally, because it is just the hormonal imbalance that your body is facing, and because of that you're not getting your period on time, you're not able to conceive, your weight is not going down, you are having acne, facial hair, depression, stress, insomnia also. So how to get rid of PCOS? That is the very important question, and that too naturally without using any medicine. Alright, so first of all, you need to understand what is the major cause behind PCOS. If you are having irregular periods, and if you are thinking like you are having, too much of this facial hair or body hair, you're having acne, mood swings, and all those things, your periods are not regular, get yourself checked for fasting insulin and fasting glucose. Because what I've seen is insulin resistance is the major cause of PCOS. Okay, 70% of all PCOS women, they have this problem. They have insulin resistance. So what we have to do, we have to deal with this insulin resistance first before we deal with, we try to cover the symptoms of PCOS. Okay, so how to do that? Once you have insulin resistance, what does that mean? That means your body is not able to use the insulin that is secreted by your pancreas properly. Okay, and when you have this insulin in your body, like too much insulin in your body, what will happen? Your body will start producing less growth hormones. There will be more production of androgen or the male hormones, which means insulin is directly proportional to androgens or the male hormones. So more insulin in your body, which means more male hormones in your body, which means the hormonal balance will get, away from equilibrium, or it gets imbalanced. So because of this imbalance in your body, because of these hormones, you are going to face many issues. As I have already mentioned, like you get male-like baldness, you get facial hair, you get mood swings, and all those problems. So if we wish to fix PCOS, what we have to do? Yes, you're right. We'll have to fix insulin resistance. How can that be done? There are various methods that I use to deal with insulin resistance. My first method is fixing your diet. Alright, so it is not like you have to starve. It is just you will have to make certain changes in your diet. You will just have to time out your diet, your eating timings, so that you are not spiking that insulin a lot during the day. Okay, and second thing, of course, is to manage your weight, because insulin, type 2 diabetes, when insulin is too much in your body, when you're getting insulin resistance, that is because your body cells are not properly, responding to the insulin that is there in your body. So to fix that, we'll have to make sure you are under or within certain body weight range. Okay, so don't worry about the medicines, don't worry about the hormones that you're taking externally. Just fix your insulin resistance, just fix your weight, and you will be able to take care of this PCOS problem. Stay there, keep watching. I'll be talking more about PCOS, I'll be busting all the myths, and I'll be helping you guys to deal with PCOS naturally. Alright? Thank you so much for watching.